Welcome back to Stocks Technical NBN. Tomorrow's intraday levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty are ready. Clear rules, tight risk, and high probability zones. Let's dive in. For Nifty, we will focus on two scenarios: one reversal short and one continuation long. All confirmation on the 15-minute candle close. Avoid first 15 minutes. So the condition one, if Nifty break 25,025 fails to sustain and close below 25,000, like Nifty break this level but not sustain. Suppose first 15-minute candle Nifty break this level, then second candle Nifty break this zone, we can entry here. This candle we can entry, and this candle our stop loss. So I want to say, if Nifty break 25,025 but fails to sustain and close below 25,000 on the 15-minute chart, we will look for a short entry. In that case, our target will be 24,850, like this level, and our stop loss should be above this candle's high, or 25,050, near 25,050. So wait for a real body close, not just a wick. Let price retest and reject 25,000 if possible. And the long setup, suppose Nifty break this level, this kind of break, then reverse back to this area and holds, we will wait for a pullback and 15-minute close confirmation to go long. Then one candle, this type of candle, pullback candle. This is the 15-minute chart. We can long here, and in that case our stop loss will be 24,000, in that area, 24,975. So I want to say, if Nifty break above 25,025 and holds, we will wait for a pullback and 15-minute close confirmation to go long. Target in that case 25,125, like this area. Stop loss this area, like 24,975. So break and hold above 25,025, pullback 15-minute close, long target 25,125, stop loss 24,975. Same, Bank Nifty often gives sharp moves, same rule. Now if we look बैंक निफ्टी, अगर बैंक निफ्टी को हम देखें तो यहाँ पर भी सेम रूल काम करेगा. कैसे? if बैंक निफ्टी break this zone, suppose first 15-minute candle break above 55,975 and second candle close below 55,975, in that area, in that case we will short Bank Nifty, and this area 56,100 will be our stop loss and 1:2 will be our target. That means अगर हम यहाँ पर एंट्री करते हैं शॉर्ट के लिए, in that case our target should be here. That means 55,700. So if Bank Nifty break above 55,975 but fails to sustain and close back near or below 55,925 on the 15-minute chart, we should go for short. Target 55,700 to 750, stop loss 56,100. Fake out above 55,975, 15-minute close below 55,925, short target 55,700 to 750, stop loss 56,100. एंड लॉन्ग पोजीशन, अगर हमें बैंक निफ्टी को लॉन्ग करना है तो कहाँ पर करें? सो if bank nifty break just like this candle, break and sustain here, then pull back 56,000, near 56,000, and hold with a 15-minute close just like this, we will look to go long. In that case, our target will be near 56,300 के करीब होगा, in that area. And our stop loss हमें कहाँ रखना है? इस एरिया के नीचे, that means 55,800 के करीब, और 850, हाँ 55,850. This area will be our stop loss. Our target will be 56,300, or our condition, the break above this 56,000 and hold this level, and pullback candle should be made above 56,000 on 15-minute candle closing. Then we will look for go long. We will prioritize the index with stronger momentum and cleaner retest. No averaging. Stop loss is final. ये आपको याद रखना है. कोई भी एवरेजिंग नहीं करेंगे. अगर स्टॉप लॉस मिले तो उसको दे देना है, टारगेट मिले तो उसको ले लेना. So position size in fixed, risk parted, not per filling. Skip signals near major news or during erratic volatility. If the first setup hits target or stop loss, reassess before taking the next. ये आपको रिस्क एंड एग्जीक्यूशन आपको याद रखना है. ये फ्रेमवर्क को हमेशा याद रखिएगा, रिस्क एंड एग्जीक्यूशन को. That is the plan. Simple, rules based and executable. If this helps, like the video, subscribe and drop a comment with your levels. We will see next day. फिर अगले दिन अगले वीडियो के साथ फिर मिलते हैं. I will see you in the live charts tomorrow. Trade well and stay disciplined. Thank you.